What is up, guys? Today is 86th day and Subi Fest just passed, which was this last Sunday. Yeah, but today's 86th day and we are hosting a meet today, super last minute. Let me show you guys. Well, bam! Let me show you guys what it looks like. That's what it's looking like. It's gonna be me, Chris, Devin, and I don't know, just another Toyota. Never met him, but we're gonna meet up with them, with Devin and just another Toyota at Cafe 86. It's gonna be the pre-meet before we go to the actual meet location. I didn't even know there's a Cafe 86, and that's where we're going right now. I did not know at all that we had a Cafe 86 in San Diego. Southside San Diego. Dude, this is so clean, brother. What's up, bro? What's your name?
Joseph.
Joseph Phil.
Yeah,
nice to meet you, bro. It's clean.
Thank you. It's okay.
Still waiting on Devin?
Yeah, I don't know where they're.
Devin, what's up, brother?
What's up?
There's no parking, bro. You got lucky. He just moved, literally. Yeah.
Where'd you go?
I'm like right there.
Oh,
then the next one, yeah,
All
dude.
right, I'm looking for some.
All right, brother. Nobody's here. Oh shit! It's too early. It's too early. Still too early. Still too early. We got time. We got time. It's only 7:30. People always come in late. We are currently out here, guys. Got the Mahalo Mango sponsored by Cafe 86. Just kidding, not sponsored, but today is 86th day, like I said from the other vlogs. Oh sheesh, that's clean. Ooh. Oh hell yeah. Ooh, that's clean. Pulling up. What's up, big dog? With a new wrap, bro. He pulled up with a new wrap. Or not.
You think you can fit next to Chris right? Mr. Phil. What's up, sir?
What's up, Lars?
How you doing?
How you been, bro?
Good, man. Vlogception.
Vlogception.
Did you film with Chris right here, too? Okay.
Devin, we're doing
I was kind of nervous, man. I thought probably people were going to show up.
Dude, we pulled up early. Yo, there's no one there. I was like, wait, it's too early. I was like, it's 7:30. It's too early.
I was like, damn, bro. Never doing this again.
Yeah. Oh man, we're like, fuck. But no, it's a good turnout so far, guys. Like, look. Sheesh. It's doing pretty good. Right? Exactly.
It's too early, man.
Exactly, it's too early. We got Mr. Elias. Sheesh. That shit clean. Always pulling up.
What's up, buddy? How you doing? How you doing? Chilling. Sir? How are you?
Pretty good, how are you?
It's been a while. Huh?
got our exact 730.
Alright.
I think it'll fit. So high right now. Oh, look at these ones. Dude, the Honda boys.
Oh, for me, yeah. I put an 8 mil.
Type R right here by itself. Dude. Silver Surfer. You got Danny out here. Very nice. I don't know where he's at though. Very clean. Yeah, guys, pretty good turnout, man. Super happy with how this came out. Thank you to all of you guys that came out today. Super last minute, but we are very happy with the turnout. Alex? Straight out of work. Oh, dude. Hell yeah. Thanks for coming out, right?
That's it, guys. We thought 5 cars were gonna pull up. Nah, I was like, now we got 6. We got 6.
Yo.
Yeah. Pretty good turnout. Pretty good turnout.
Yeah. What'd you think, Chris?
Terrible. That was kidding. That was kidding.
Hell no.
That was good. It was good for like an hour. Like an hour.
Hour notice, yeah, not too bad. Sheesh. Alright guys. I'm just hungry. What is up guys? I just got home. It is currently 9:54. But before I go to sleep, I just want to say thank you so much guys for coming out to support for 86th Day. There wasn't really any meets that was going on for it down here in San Diego, so Devin, Chris, and Joseph and I thought about hosting a last minute 86/BRZ meet, and it was a pretty good turnout for having an hour notice, so pretty happy about it. Really thought that nobody was gonna show up, but yeah, it was nice. Everybody was having a good time, so yeah. But anyways, hope you guys have a good night. Alright guys, mind what I just said. I did not want to end the video just like that, but we are gonna end it right now, and I got a little bit of a treat for you guys today. We got my man Isaac here today.
What's up?
We got Alex, and you guys want to see these cars, and there we go, buddy. We got all the Street Hunter stock body kits today. You got the first gen, you got the second gens, GR86 and the BRZ. That's just clean. Isaac is right now one of one. He is one of one. Look at this. That's just so clean with the BBS. Sheesh. That's just so clean, guys. So clean. We're trying to do a photo shoot right now. Damn, until it's clean. He got the whole kit on his GR86, just like mine with the works. Can't go wrong with the works, bro. Can't go wrong. Man, these guys are putting in work right now. Photo shoot. Damn. How does it feel to be one of one, Isaac?
I love it, man. Excited to see some more on the street, but hey, one-on-one right now.
Hell yeah. Bro, this is exciting. Wait for the photos, post it up, do a collab. Sick, guys. Street Hunter. Hell yeah, buddy. We're gonna end the video here. Stay blessed, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.